Hello dear children, all you are welcome in today's maths class. So dear children, today we are going to do worksheet 3 of unit 6, and in this worksheet we will do the word problem questions. So let's start from question number 1. So look here, in question number 1 it is given here Mr. Kumar purchased a sari for rupees 485.55 rupees and a shirt for rupees 269.40 and a tie for rupees 65.25. Find the total money spent by Mr. Kumar. So students, here look here, one word here, total money spent. Okay, cost of sari given here, shirt, cost of shirt given here, and cost of tie given here, and we want to find here the total money spent by Mr. Kumar. So you all know that whenever we want to find the total money, then we have to do addition. So if we will add cost of sari, cost of shirt and cost of tie, then we can get the total money spent by Mr. Kumar. So let's write the statement. So students, firstly just write down cost of sari. So cost of sari is rupees 485.55. Then cost of shirt, that is rupees 269.40, and then cost of tie, that is 65.25 rupees. Okay, so total money spent by Mr. Kumar. Now add these three costs. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is 10. Look here, 1 carry, and this is 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 2 carry, point is here, so we will write point here. Now add this and you can get the total money spent by Mr. Mohan is 820 rupees 820 rupees 20 paise. So this is the answer. Let's read the next question. Next question is, the height of Ram is 1.75 meter. His brother Shyam is 0.5 meter taller than Ram. What is the height of Shyam? Okay students, so let's assume this is Ram, and this is Ram, and this is Shyam. Now students, it is given here the height of Ram is 1.75 meter. Ram's height given here 1.75 meter, and his brother Shyam is a brother of Ram. So his brother Shyam is 0.5 meter taller than Ram. So it means ki Shyam is 0.5 meter taller than Ram. So we want to find the height of Shyam. So students, Ram's height given, if we will add 0.5 in Ram's height, then we can get the Shyam's height, because Shyam is 0.5 meter taller than Ram. So if we will add Ram's height and 0.5, then we can get the Shyam's height. So let's write the statement now. So students, we will write height of Ram is given 1.75 meter. Then more height of Shyam. Okay, how much more Shyam's height? So it is 0.5. Okay, 0.5. Write point under point, and if this place is blank, so you can write 0 here. Okay, 0.5 meter. Now add this. So the height of Shyam we want to find. So right here, height of Shyam. Now add these two heights. 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 5 12, 2 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2. So it means height of Shyam is 2.25 meter. This is the answer. Let's do next question. Students, next question is, a shopkeeper had 32.5 kg apples, 25.25 kg mangoes and 9.75 kg pears. What is the total weight of fruits he had? Okay, so do this question yourself. Okay, cost of apple given, cost of mango given, cost of pears given. Okay, total weight of fruits here you can find. So you all know that total weight we want to find, then we will add all these weights. Okay, so do this part yourself. Students, D part is, a milkman sold 26.55 liter milk on the first day, 35.755 liter milk on the second day and 42.5 liter milk on the third day. Find the total quantity of milk sold on 3 days. Okay, so first day milk, how much milk he sold, it is given. Second day milk, quantity of second day milk he sold, it is given. And quantity of third day milk he sold, that is given here. And we want to find the total quantity of milk sold on 3 days. Total quantity we want to find, so again we will do addition here. Okay, so let's write statement now. So students, we will write milk sold on first day. Milk sold on first day is 26.55 liter. Then milk sold on second day is 35.755 liter. So write down in this way, point under point. Then milk sold on third day is 42.5 liter. Now last line, write down total quantity of milk sold on 3 days. Okay, we want to find this. So total quantity we want to find, then we will add all these quantities. So look here, 5, here is nothing, so you can write 0 here. Okay, 5 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. Now 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, 1 0 you can also write here, because under this here is nothing. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 0 we will write here, 1 is carry. Now 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 1, 18, 8 we will write point, 1 is carry. Now students, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 5, 14. So 4 we will write, 1 is carry. Now 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So it means total milk sold on 3 days is 104.805 liter. This is the answer. Now let's do last question. Anjali spent 25 rupees on ice cream, rupees 17.50 on chips and 12.50 on pen. Find the total money spent by Anjali. So students, here given that how much money Anjali spent on ice cream, that is 25 rupees, and on chips 17.50 and on pen 12.50. So we want to find here the total money spent by Anjali. Okay, total money we want to find. So total means we will add all these, okay, these rupees. So let's write the statement. Money spent on ice cream 25 rupees, money spent on chips 17.50 rupees, and money spent on pen 12.50. Now we want to find here the total money spent by Anjali. So we will add all these rupees that is given here. Okay, so students, here is nothing, so you can write 0 0 and also write point. Now 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 is carry, write down point under point. Now 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 5 is the 5, 1 is the carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So 55 rupees is the answer. So it means total money spent by Anjali is 55 rupees. So students, that's all. This is the last question. I hope all of you understood these questions. So try to do these questions. One part left, do that question yourself. Okay, bye, take care.